this.
Yes, that is just cold water, buddy. All we're going to use that for is to mix it up with the baking soda and make a baking soda solution that we can pour into here.
Nuki, is it recorded yet?
Yes, he is recording. This is for your class, so behave. Bottom, underneath the sink, there's a big jug of vinegar. Bring it to me, please.
Okay.
I'm going to add the vegetable oil. Got it?
This?
Yes. Well, I don't know. It's a big jug. What does it say on the front?
White. It says what? Vinegar.
What? Hold on, you almost said that other word. Skipping
White
it.
Split.
What?
White distilled.
Oh, that's pretty
vinegar.
close. I'll give you that one. Distilled.
Distilled.
Very good. White distilled vinegar.
What's distilled?
It means it's been filtered. It's been run through a system to clean out all the stuff, the gunk, the imperfections that are in it.
Oh, like.
Impurities have been removed.
So whenever they say white distilled.
Distilled means. That's what distilled means. It means it's been cleaned. Okay. So we're going to put the vegetable oil in the cups first. Glasses.
Okay.
Okay. And then we're going to add vinegar.
Interesting.
Which would be our acid.
Ooh, it looks all bubbly.
Well, it's just because it's bounced around and gotten separated, and the oil has wanted to try to stay together, and it's caused some of it to separate just a little bit. There we are. See how cool little bubbles.
Yeah.
That's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, now colors.
I pick obviously blue.
We're gonna do some blue. All right, grab some yellow,
Okay, got some yellow,
and then we got some green,
green.
and we got some red, but we ain't got a whole lot of red. All right, here. I want you to dump all that red into that one right there, kiddo.
Okay.
And because the food coloring is water-based, it is more dense
There you
than
go.
the oil.
That's.
Very good.
Hold on. Perfect.
Is it? I think you got most of it. Isn't that cool?
Yeah. But except it's very little amount.
Hold on a second. I think I have. Aha! Are you trying to science this? I don't see you being much of a doggy chemist. So.
I was having an idea to put.
Go ahead, gently mix that, please, Mr. Dillon.
I was thinking a lot of mixing the yellow with that to make an orange lava lamp. How does that sound, Daddy?
Go for it, kiddo. You can add some yellow to it. Increase your science, my son. I will make green lava here.
Let's add some of this yellow.
I love the science. Alright. Very good. Put a lid back on that and give it a gentle stir.
And then we will present ourselves.
Well, what we're going to do is now I'm going to make the baking soda slurry. Just simple 1 part water, 1 part baking soda.
Whoa! It looks like there's dirt in here.
They're just little droplets of the food coloring, buddy. If I can get into this thing. I have lost to a tub of baking soda. Curse you, arm and hammer! Your arm is too strong and I cannot get through your hammer. Too much? I thought it was pretty good. Too many dad jokes.
Hey Noki,
There's no hey, no.
get this.
I am.
It's in the middle, it's invisible, but on the top and bottom, it's literally red.
Yep.
That's incredible. It's kind of like red paint. Stroke, stroke, stroke.
Okay.
And now we add water.
Careful. And after we add the water, do we dump it in here?
Well, I'm going to mix it together a little bit and try to make it into a slurry or a better solution where it's more thoroughly mixed. By all means, set that right there. And help me if you want to, Mr. Dillon.
Noki is helping
Thoroughly mixing.
Our camera woman is helping us do the middle.
That's right.
I was about to say cameraman, but you're not
Okey
a man.
pokey dokey, Noki. You can't do it with your right hand.
No, I tried.
She's one of those lefties, and you
I'm a right-handed.
are you a righty?
Yeah, I'm a right-handed.
All right, Mr. Dillon, take yours. Let's get all the stuff out of the way. All right, go ahead and stop. Hit the stop button.